Hello, everyone. Sarah V here. And as promised, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite affirmation meditations that help me to become the calm in the center of a storm, if you will. Something when our life is happening, chaotically on the outside. I shared it with you in my email, how we can become the calm in the center of the storm. And the reason why it is so incredibly important to become the calm in the center of the storm is because when we're in this manifesting energy, we want to consistently be open to the universe. And when we are in anxiety and when we're stressed and we're feeling frantic and, we're getting caught up in the storm, we close our energy centers and we are not open to the universe. We become closed, we become stuck, and we keep continuing the same pattern that we've done for so many years. So I wanted to share this with you because, everybody sees my life as, oh my God, she's got everything together and, she doesn't get bothered by anything. But what I've shared with you before is I am actually in one of the most difficult parts of my life. Not difficult because, I'm living in that scarcity mindset anymore, but difficult because I am facing all my fears. I'm taking more chances. I'm doing things before I'm ready. That is really hard. It's easier to just kind of ignore things or, settle for mediocrity and not go for things in your life. That's easier. But I'm not willing to live that way anymore. And this is, something that I'm really, really learning because my life is really hard right now. I'm in a massive transformation. My 30-year Saturn return, which I've talked about before. And, I am in this storm of my life, but I feel probably the calmest in this storm that I'm in right now. And I wanted to share with you how I use this affirmation when things on the outside become a little, that I notice that they're overwhelming. The difference is that I don't get caught up in the emotion of overwhelm. And, I've done this quite a bit because, things keep kind of coming at me, times that I have to pivot when I think things are going a certain way and they actually change and shift because we don't have any control over that. We think we do, but we don't. So I have really I've gotten to use, I don't have to do anything, but this little affirmation, this meditation that I do helps me to stay really calm. So if you're willing, I'm not gonna take you through it because I'm not gonna take you through the entire thing, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. And then you can do it, how it resonates best for you. But what it is, so you have your, okay, I'm gonna back up here. So what you're actually trying to do is you're trying to create equilibrium in your right and your left brain hemisphere. So when we do it, what I'm going to show you to one side, we also want to do it to the other side. So you create this balance in your mindset, in your neural pathways. And this is something that, oh my gosh, it just reminds you that it is an I am affirmation. And again, I use it when I'm wanting to feel more calm, when I'm when I'm noticing the overwhelm in my life, when things are kind of coming at me at the same time. And it really helps me to stay grounded. So how it goes. So and I don't know if you can see me here, but however you get into meditation is perfect. And what you want to do is you want to cross your right wrist over your left wrist. And you can't see my feet or my ankles, but you want to cross the opposite. So you want to cross your left ankle over your right ankle. So you're actually crisscrossed, you're opposite. And then when you do that, just kind of gently put your arm, just be really calm and quiet. Remember your right wrist over your left wrist, your left ankle over your right ankle. And then as you breathe in, you want to breathe in with your tongue at the top of the roof of your mouth when you breathe in. So just kind of like this. So you breathe in, tongue at the roof of your mouth. And then when you exhale whatever I am statement that is resonating in your life right now. My affirmation that I'm using a lot right now is I am the calm at the center of the storm. You can use, when you're feeling kind of off balance, whether it's in love, whether it is in, really anything that you are feeling, you do this right over left, left over right first. And then you say your I am statement with your tongue as you breathe in to the top of your mouth. So breathing in, I am the calm at the center of the storm. I am the calm at the center of the storm. And you can either say it out loud. I actually like to say it in my mind's eye. I don't really like to say things out loud. I like to actually hear myself saying them in my mind. So I actually do it silently. So do that. I am love. I am the center of the storm. I am happiness. I am joy, whatever it is. And then once you do about maybe 10 breaths, 2 minutes, then you switch it. So then you do left over right wrist, and then right over left ankle. And you do the same, breathing in, tongue at the roof of your mouth, and then exhaling whatever affirmation resonates with you, and do the same affirmation on right and the left. Don't switch it like I am the calm at the center of the storm on your left to the right, and then doing I am love. You can actually just do them, do another set of I am love, whatever resonates with you. But I just find this absolutely so confirming to that part of us that wants to get connected to the chaos. And when we become the chaos, it's kind of like, we are not that. That is not who we are. That is not your story. We are separate from whatever is happening in your life. You are not success. You are not frenzy. You are the pure energy that you were born with. And this, right and left and right on your feet is like a beautiful reminder that is who you are. You are not what is happening to you. You are that pure energy. So if this helps you, I am happy to take anybody through this left and right, just to see whether, you feel a shift inside of you, because we are all returning back. We're restoring ourselves back to our original essence. And a reminder that calmness is that energy that we were born with. So this is what we're all restoring ourselves to return to. So I hope that's helpful to you. Let me know in the comments or on YouTube. Let me know whether that has been helpful, whether that allowed you to become either the calm at the center of the storm, or to become joy or love or whatever it is. So thank you so much. And I hope that was helpful.